So today, we have the clone model of Eachine E58 Drone. Its price is showing 10999 rupees, but it's not that costly. They sent it to me in this carrying bag. Let's open it. So there is our transmitter. It's quite handy. It needs 3 AA batteries, which I have already installed. Here you go. The antennas are not real. They are false. Here is our mobile rack. You can easily fit your mobile here. We have also got a pouch here. Looks like it contains some drone accessories. These are our drone's propeller guards, and this is our drone's charger. Some extra propellers. And a screwdriver. So this is our drone. It has a 2MP HD camera which records in 1080 pixels. Here is its battery. Let's unfold it. It looks exactly like DJI Mavic drone after unfolding. Here's its manual. Here's its camera manual. Let's install its camera app. Oops, there is a problem. Okay, it's gone. If you have Android, click on Google Play. If you have an iOS, click on App Store. Download its camera app, and there you go. First, you have to turn on the drone. And then connect the remote to it. There is one click calibration button. Now let's connect our camera to phone. Now you can see it's giving the real-time footage. Flying test and camera test coming soon, so stay tuned.